embrace the journey. It is everything. It is personal. It is spiritual. It is amazing. Peace and blessings, beautiful Loc family. Welcome to my channel. I'll be 19 months Loc next week. Let me just keep it real with you guys. I have not done an 18-month Loc update, which is the reason why I am here before you now. These are my 18-month Locs. Guys, I started my Loc journey, for those of you who are new here, on February the 28th. 2018 with 2-strand twists. I did the 2-strand twist method, and here we are. I just wanted to come and show you guys before I hit that 19-month Loc anniversary and skip a month in my journal. Those of you who follow me know that I do journal in a physical journal, but I'm also journaling my Loc journey here on YouTube, and I try not to miss a month with providing some type of Loc talk, Loc conversation, incorporated into bringing you guys an update on my Locs. So let me just digress and explain to some people what my name means. In 2007, guys, I started a YouTube channel. I did a big chop and I started a YouTube channel for my 4C kinky, Urban Dictionary definition for the texture of my 4C tresses, thus kinky tresses. That was my name, and I was journaling my big chop and my natural hair journey. By no means does kinky mean anything other than the Urban Dictionary definition. The definition in the Urban Dictionary is just simply referencing to kinky hair. Trey, because my name is Tracy, thus the channel brand Kinky Locs Trey. Okay, so now that we got an understanding on that, we're rolling into my 3-month retwist, also coming up next week on my 19-month Loc anniversary. So we're gonna be doing a fresh retwist on these babies, and I am excited to come and show you guys how these babies drop after I retwist and do the maintenance on these nappy roots. I'm looking forward to that. For the past 3 weeks, I've, of course, washed and conditioned my Locs, but I've not done anything else. I've moisturized them. I'm not gonna take for granted that this is not someone's first time watching. So what I use is a combination of Jamaican black castor oil, EVOO, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and rose water. Mix that up, and this is what I am moisturizing my roots with 3 times a week. I've been doing this since I started on this journey. Look at my Locs, guys. I'm gonna move up closer so you can see. We're not doing anything any different. We're doing the same thing. These are the results. To bringing you guys our 19-month Loc update. Next week, we're going to share some tips on moisturizing your roots and keeping your roots moisturized, not oversaturating your hair with oils, and understanding the concept that your hair grows from your scalp. As you're oiling your scalp and you're stimulating your own natural oils, it will penetrate the Loc. So you don't have to put a whole lot of oils, product, butters, jellies, honey in your Locs. You don't have to do that. I'm not oiling my Locs. I'm oiling my roots, my scalp, with a nice massage, and it's a part of my maintenance. Those oils are penetrating my Locs. Now let me move up, and you tell me if they're looking dry. They're not stiff, they're really soft. Really, really soft. In the meantime, I've just been rocking it like this. I haven't had my Locs styled just yet. Looking forward to it. No, I wanted them to get strong, you know, grow up a little bit. Wild child style.
Sometimes we'll bond it and sometimes we'll just go wild child style.
And this is it. I'm not even gonna call it wild style because somebody will try to decipher that. You can flip it to either side. I've loved my 18-month locks. As we close this chapter, it's bittersweet because I will never be 18 months locked again, ever. Farewell 18 months. It's been real. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, smash the subscribe button if you so desire. And I will see your beautiful faces in the next video.